In primetime news this evening, international community converge in New Kingston to address Haitian crisis.
Gangs fueling Haitian crisis. We explore the challenges.
And later, newborn stolen from hospital compound reunited with parents hours later. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Though we're seeing marginal declines in the country's trade deficit, there's been a push to have more companies exporting, and so manufacturers have gone to various expos, including Foodex in Japan and Expo Comer in Panama, to look for opportunities. I'll have those details later on.
Okay, and Renardo Brown, he's also here to give us a preview of what's to come in sports. Renardo?
Well, Herman, Jamaica women, that senior women, have won the Regional Super 50 Cup for the first time in 11 years. And we start our build-up to the ISA Boys and Girls Athletics Championships.
So good to see you, Renardo. And Romain is also here with a preview of what's to come in the weather report and forecast. Romain?
Thanks, Janella. We're expecting stronger winds around the middle of this week, but much of that dry, warm weather is expected to continue into the weekend.
All right, there's also sports commentary and E-Prime in the newscast. But before the break, here is our feedback question.
And this evening we're asking, what is your reaction to the high-level meeting being held in Jamaica to decide on Haiti's future?
Now you can share your comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica or on X at TVJ News Center.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.